It's good for you.
Nah, that's good for me.
No problem.
Okay, you driving?
I'm driving, guys.
Yeah.
I'm driving.
Pilot.
I promise you won't get wet
Okay, my bro.
until we leave the station. Until.
I go to Puerto Rico like the
All right. But once we leave the station, you probably won't get wet. So, you know, I just don't want my shoes to get soaked. That is all. Like, the rest of me can be soaking wet. I don't want my shoes to be wet.
That's gonna be good.
But that, well, what happens is my shoes get wet and I stay dry usually. So we'll see. Maybe everything will get soaking wet this time. All right.
Are you ready? Let's go. Let's
Ooh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No! Oh, I thought I knew you. Sorry. I thought that was my buddy. I don't know him.
Now you know.
Now I know him. Oh. My shoes are already wet.
Water coming!
Whoa, you okay? Whoa. Look at that wolf.
Nice, man.
Oh.
Hold on, Haley. One more time, Haley.
Let's go.
One more time, Haley.
Oh.
Oh, no good, Haley.
Oh no! Oh no! Man, we spinning. Whoa! Man! Nice! Who's driving? Who's driving? It's not me.